Hey everybody, and welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make sweet potato and black bean quesadillas. Cue the music. Alright, well welcome back. I appreciate you joining us from whatever platform you're watching us on. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below and share this video with everybody you know. Like I said, we're going to be making black bean and sweet potato quesadillas. Let's drop down here and see what we've got for our ingredients. We got about 3 medium-sized sweet potatoes we have cooked and peeled. We got 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, an onion diced, a bell pepper diced, 3 cloves of garlic that we've minced up, 1 can of black beans that we've drained and rinsed. And then to top it all off, we're going to do tortillas, and I've got pepper jack cheese. Let's head over to the stove. All right, we have got all of our ingredients over here in our mise en place by the stove. We got our peppers and onions diced, black beans drained and rinsed, olive oil, sweet potatoes have been peeled and mashed. All of our seasonings are sitting there ready to go. Garlic, and then we got our tortillas and our cheese in the background and our utensils that we will need for this particular cook. So I'm going to focus on the pan and we'll start making it happen. Alright, you want about a medium-high heat. Get your pan hot and you're going to add your olive oil right in the pan there. Alright, pan's hot. So let's get these peppers and onions in here and get those cooking. You want to get the onions translucent and the peppers a little bit soft, so I'm going to stir them up. Hit them with just a little bit of salt and pepper. Let those cook down. Alright, these peppers have cooked down, the onions have cooked down. So now I want to add my garlic right in there. Really make it good. Get that spiced up there with the garlic. Stir this all up. I'm going to stir it up till it gets fragrant, about 30 seconds. And I'm going to add chili powder, paprika, and the cumin, and we're going to stir that up. Alright, I got the mashed or the sweet potatoes in here now, and you can do this a couple of different ways. You can mash it, you can roast them, cut them up in little cubes and roast them, but I just like it, whoops, right in like that, because it kind of reminds me a little bit of some refried beans, the way this is going to work out. Now I'm just going to set it right in here like this. I'm going to get my lid. I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of water in there. I'm going to let that steam up and break up a little bit, and we can kind of mess this all up before we add our beans. Oh, forgot one thing. Got to add our cinnamon in there. There we go. Now we just want to stir all this up, get it all mixed together. You can see that water evaporated. We just wanted it to steam everything up. Turn down to a medium about now. We got our black beans now. Just going to add the whole thing. And I'm just going to stir it up. I don't want to stir it too much and start beating up those beans too much, because the beans are an integral part of what this dish is all about. So we want them to keep our integrity of them. We don't want to mash them all up. So I'm just going to set this off to the side with the lid on, and that's going to stay hot while we switch out the pans here. And get this pan hot, put it right in there. You can use non-stick spray, a little oil if you want. I have a nice pan, so I'm not going to worry about it. It does help, you know, crisp up the tortilla shell though. So I'm going to let that cheese melt, and I'm going to throw half of it. Half of the tortilla is going to get some of this mixture. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that cheese melts and you're getting a nice little crisp edge. You want this to be kind of crunchy. So now the mixture's already hot, so you don't have to worry about getting it hot. As long as you keep that lid on there, it keeps it hot. You will have what you want for it. Some people like to do like this and then flip it over again. Flip, 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 and all that. I just go ahead and leave it open, and then I fold it over. Some people fill the whole thing with the filling, put another tortilla on top, and then cut it. I don't do that, never have. All the stuff falls out. So I like it like this. I'm gonna fold that over. We're gonna let this cook. We're gonna let it get crispy. Then we're gonna plate it up, put in some music on the timeline with all the pictures we're gonna take of it, so you can enjoy those. And then we'll come back and we're gonna taste this. So don't go anywhere. All right, some beautiful food, beautiful music. Let's give this a taste. You can see how heavy that is. It's got some heft to it. A little salsa on there. Good texture, good flavor. A little bit of cinnamon in there gives it really something different. The peppers, the cumin, and the chili powder, you can taste that. Sweet potatoes definitely in there. You can taste the texture of that, like a refried bean. And you got the crunch of the peppers and crunch of the onion. You get a little sour cream. Yeah. If you want to go the meatless route or have something besides just cheese in it, this is a good alternative. The recipe is in the description box of the first pinned comment. The link to the recipe is in there. Check that out. This is an easy recipe, quick. You probably got some of this stuff laying around your house. If not, give it a try anyway. Really good. Like I said, if you're into a meatless alternative, give this a try. You won't be disappointed. Thanks a lot for watching. Take care of yourselves. We'll see you next time, right here on It's Only Food. Bye-bye.
These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul kitchen. Now what you fixing up? Good food, soul food, come and pick it up. These rappers don't listen, well let me show them something. You hear that beat bumping, bumping from the soul